Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today our topic will be marine life. Let us first start off with the underwater food chain. Crustaceans, or small fish live in coral reefs. Some of the abiotic factors for the marine life are water, light, temperature, pH, salinity, substratum, nutrient supply, dissolved gases, pressure, tides, currents, waves, and exposure to air. Now let's talk about some biotic factors. Some biotic factors are coral reefs, plants, and animals. So now let's look at some parasites. The first one are larval roundworms. Roundworms, or nematodes, are found in many species of marine fish. While cleaning the catch, the angler may find them coiled on the surface of the intestine, on the liver, in the body cavity, and embedded in the flesh. The larval roundworms are between 1/2 and 3/4 inches in length. When coiled, they sometimes resemble a ball of yarn or a watch spring. These worms are known as anisokids. Some live as adults in such marine mammals as seals, porpoises, whales, and dolphins. The eggs enter the seawater with the feces of these mammals. They are eaten by small crustaceans such as cephalopods, which in turn are eaten by a fish or a squid. If this infected host is consumed by the proper marine mammal, the larvae will mature into adults. Herein lies the problem. Humans are also mammals. When we eat seafood, such as fish and squid, which contain live, infective larvae, the worms can become active in their new host. Our next one is a very common one: leeches, common hosts, sharks, skates, flatfish, cod, salmon, rockfish, and cabezon. Habitat: exterior surfaces, fins, anus, gill cavities, and spiracle valves. Description: leeches are generally elongate, flat, and have suckers on each end. The smaller sucker surrounds the mouth. They can often be seen inchworming their way across the host's body surface. On rough-skinned hosts, such as skates and sharks, leeches are found most often on the host's soft stomach or in the spiracle valves. Typically, leeches feed by making a series of small cuts on the fish's skin and then ingesting the blood. An anticoagulant in the mouth of the leech prevents the blood from clotting. To further aid feeding, leeches inject histamine into the host's blood vessels. This causes the vessels to dilate, thus increasing the blood flow. Some species need to feed as often as once per week, while others feed only every 6 months or so. The ocean temperature stays around 30 to 40 degrees. The ocean is 14,000 feet deep also. This is Paul Parker for my mockumentary. Thank you for listening.